The new Express 10 will begin service between Riverdale and Mayfield on October 24. The trip takes 5 hours on the older slower train. On the Express 10 it will take only 3 hours. The Express 10 will have larger, more comfortable seats, and there will be free food for the passengers. There will be 2 express trains a day between Riverdale and Mayfield. There will also be 4 regular trains. Many people will prefer the regular train because the tickets are a bit cheaper.